Most boats at 38 feet are built around comfort. The Sea Ray SLX 360 outboard is built around 52 miles an hour, and comfort comes standard. Sea Ray has been building American sport boats since 1959 in Knoxville, Tennessee. The SLX 360 is a Brunswick Corporation platform, glass-reinforced hull, fiberglass superstructure, designed as an owner-operator weekender. Triple Mercury Verado V-8 outboards, 900 horsepower combined. Top end, 52 miles an hour. Mercury's Joystick piloting system is standard. 3 independent outboards, single control input for close quarters maneuvering. Fuel capacity, 275 gallons, 38 feet, 1 inch overall, 10 feet, 10 inches of beam, draft with engines down, 43 inches, engines trimmed up, 29 inches, dry weight, 18,100 pounds. The hydraulic submersible platform is the lead feature on this boat. 3 feet of usable beach club deck on demand. Triple outboards mean dealer network serviceability. No engine room, no inboard complexity. Cockpit converts to a full dining setup at anchor. Below the helm, a real queen V-berth cabin with a stand-up wet head and climate control. Enough for a weekend on the water. The SLX 360 asks one question: do you actually want to drive your own boat? If the answer is yes, this is the most capable owner-operator platform in its class. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.